Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing this method popping up all over the place. Players are saying you can get unlimited cash and coins in Township using nothing but your phone. No computer, no extra apps, no complicated setup. Honestly, it sounded a bit too good to be true, so I decided to give it a try myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'll take you through everything step by step, what I did, how it worked, and the results I got in my town. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. After that, I pulled out my phone and opened up the browser. I'm using Chrome here, but really, any mobile browser should work just fine. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's linked to Township Unlimited Cash and Coins. The page loaded up smoothly, no annoying pop-ups, no weird redirects, nothing sketchy. It actually looked clean and well put together, which honestly made it feel more legit than I expected. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, it asked me how much cash and coins I wanted to add to my town. For this test, I went with the maximum amount just to really push it and see what would happen. After confirming my choice, the page showed a few progress bars running through different steps like syncing and processing. Everything was super clear, simple, and nicely laid out. No confusing menus or random clicks. Before it wrapped up, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were explained clearly and were easy to follow, so nothing felt complicated. I already took care of that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and check out the results. To see if it actually worked, I opened Township again and checked my cash and coins balance. And just like that, the extra resources were already there. No restarting the game, no waiting around for updates. Everything refreshed instantly in my town, which honestly surprised me. It was way smoother than I expected. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.